My name is Laura Harrison, and I am Director of Access 3D Lab. All the equipment here and the instrumentation, as well as the computer workstations and the software, is free and open to students and faculty. We have scanners that are capable of documenting small objects from museum collections all the way up through larger objects, sites, and landscapes. We have 3 structured light scanners, the Artec Eva, the Artec SpaceSpider, and the FARO Freestyle. Those are our close-range scanners. We also have a FARO Arm laser scanner. We have 3 FARO terrestrial laser scanners, 2 X330s and 1 S150. Those are used for buildings and architecture. We've got a couple of Promethean devices here that are interactive and touch-based. One of them is the active table. We do have a 24-seat classroom with 3D-enabled workstations, and staff from the Access 3D Lab can come and teach your workshop for you, or we can just provide you the tools that you need to lead your own workshop.